All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So in, within something. The food is in the box. I am in my office. Yes, quite a useful adverb. We are in the gym. In the gym or at the gym. Depends how you look at it. In the gym right now. We found it in the box. Yes. My hat is in the drawer. In the drawer. How cool is that? We are in our houses. Yes. Yeah, we're in our houses. We are in bed. We are not in bed. We are not in bed. The bird was in the water. Was in the water, yeah. This bird is in the water washing itself. Yeah, in the water. Yep. We are swimming in the sea. Yes, we always swim in the sea. Yes, very important. We might be in the sea later on. Later on, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. When will you be in the car? Well, I will be in my car soon. Yes. I will see you in the meeting. In the meeting. At the meeting, but in the meeting. Yeah. Yeah, very good. In. Within something. I am often in my office. You should be in your anything. Country, home, classroom, work, your country, for example. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. 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 How cool is that? So in, I'm in my office. I am in my best clothes. How cool is that? So in, within something. Now, language explorers. Can you use in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.